This is the IKEA hinges. I think this is the 1531 hinge, and it's currently locked, and the way to unlock it is by doing this.
The easiest way, really, because we've watched a lot of videos and it doesn't help at all. So what you do is the other side, you put it there under the...
You get the attachment and you connect it.
And then you...
And you pull it apart.
And then I would suggest to put all of them so that none of them lock.
So that they don't lock again.
Okay, shall I do it again?
Yeah.
There's a thing here, you see? Okay, let's do it again. You see this part?
Slowly.
You see this part? You get the... Wait, I'm going to lock it again. See this part here? You grab it there.
You haven't clicked it in, Mum.
No, because it doesn't click.
Oh.
And you open it like that. It's easier to pull apart. And then I would suggest that you put all of them like that so they don't lock again.
There you go. There's the tutorial.